दिले आशिकाना भरा नहीं, दिले आशिकाना भरा नहीं, प्यास मोहब्बत बुझी नहीं। ऐसे पीरे मोहब्बत हैं हम, पीरी से जवानी गई नहीं।
Legendary actor Dharmendra passed away at the age of 89 in Mumbai, leaving Bollywood in deep mourning. For millions, this is an emotional and personal loss. For his family, close ones, and the film fraternity, it marks the end of an era filled with warmth, courage, and unmatched stardom. Born in 1935 in Sahnewal, Punjab, Dharmendra grew up in a simple farming family. As a young boy, he dreamed of becoming an actor, even though he had no links to the film world. He believed in his dream and began learning acting through small theatre shows and stage performances. Everything changed when he won the Filmfare New Talent Contest. That win brought him to Mumbai. From staying in tiny rented rooms to entering film studios with hope in his eyes, his journey was full of struggle and determination. Dharmendra started his film career in the early 1960s with Dil Bhi Tera Hum Bhi Tere. However, his first major break came with the film Phool Aur Patthar, where his strong screen presence impressed audiences across the country. He soon became one of the most dependable and bankable stars in the industry. His hit films included Satyakam, Sita Aur Geeta, Anupama, Yadon Ki Baaraat, Sholay, and many others. His role as Veeru in Sholay became one of the most iconic performances in Indian cinema. The film changed his stardom forever. With his charm, effortless comedy, action scenes, and lovable personality, Dharmendra became a national favorite. Even after Sholay, he continued to deliver strong roles in action films and family dramas, building a career that lasted more than 6 decades. Dharmendra's personal life was as layered as his real image. He married Prakash Kaur in 1954 and together they had 4 children, including Sunny and Bobby Deol. Later, during his peak years in Bollywood and reportedly without divorcing Kaur, he married Hema Malini. Dharmendra and Hema have 2 daughters together, Esha and Ahana Deol. Even with complicated relationships, he remained deeply connected to his family. Dharmendra was not just a superstar, he was respected for his courage, honesty, and large heart. Actor and director Satyajit Puri shared several stories about the He-Man of Bollywood and explained why even the underworld stayed away from him. In those days, the underworld was powerful. Actors would get scared of a single phone call. But Dharmendra and his family were never afraid. He would say, "If you come, the whole Sahnewal will come from Punjab. You have 10 people, but I have an army. Do not mess with me." They never tried anything with him again. In another incident from Dharmendra's career, one of the most unforgettable events happened on the sets of Gulami. Dharmendra insisted on performing a risky horse riding stunt even though a body double was ready. The horse slipped on marble stairs after peeing on the spot. Despite the danger, Dharmendra used his strength to stop a deadly fall and protect both himself and the horse. Despite the near accident, Dharmendra's first concern was the animal. After calming down, he gave the horse owner money to care for its injuries. Dharmendra's passing has left a void that cannot be filled. His charm, kindness, courage, and larger-than-life presence shaped Indian cinema for decades. From a small-town boy to Bollywood's beloved He-Man, from heartfelt romances to powerful action roles, from real-life bravery to quiet acts of kindness, Dharmendra's journey was extraordinary. Today, Bollywood lost not just a legendary star, it lost a pillar, an icon, and a man whose heart was as strong as his screen presence.